this section of the display, we're showing the other two families of integrated gaming platforms that we offer. We have the E series on these two shelves, and we have the C series on the lower part. So starting at the top, we have our E130, which is again a very custom, fully integrated gaming platform, specifically designed for very low-cost markets. It has a little bit less I/O than our S series that we saw on the previous panel. It still has a lot of I/O, enough I/O for a typical street AWP type of application. It also has security and a jammer interface, which are particularly suitable for the Italian street market. The Italian Comma 6A market is one of the primary markets for this product. But it's very good for any customer who is very cost sensitive. They want a fairly high performance platform that will run two screens and still has all the security and I/O that will be needed to get a regulated slot machine approved and certified. Moving down, we have another new release product from us, which is the E135. This is a very popular product right now. It uses AMD's latest G series SoC, so low power, low cost, but good medium level performance. Again, this will run two screens quite suitably, two HD screens, no problem. And what we've done with this product is to save cost and space inside of the slot machine. We've integrated all of what we call cabinet-ready I/O onto the single board, which means that the harnessing can be very simple. You don't need to have expensive harness connectors. You don't have to have separate connector boards. You can connect simple harnessing using Molex MiniFit and D-sub connectors. You can connect that directly onto the motherboard, making this a very low cost overall implementation in the slot machine. The whole platform is fanless, passively cooled, so very high reliability, no fan to get clogged up or need service and repair. And we can run up to 25 watt CPUs, so the top end CPUs, quad core, up to over 2 gigahertz CPUs will run happily with the fanless passive cooling. So you can see we have a very large heatsink. So this is a very popular product. We have a lot of inquiries, it's one of our flagship products in the E series. Moving on, we have the C series. The key features of this product, the key benefits are the fully passive backplane and the CPU on a cassette mechanism. I can demonstrate that by opening the front. The front opens up with a secure intrusion logged front flap. Then I can just pull the cassette out and the whole CPU, hard disk, any other storage, everything comes out in one self-contained unit. So this can then be field upgraded or sent for service, and a new one can be very quickly inserted. Just a single operation, goes in, engages, closes, and there we've replaced the whole CPU inside of a slot machine. That can be really important in a slot machine where downtime is critical. You want to minimize the amount of time to swap out CPU or upgrade the CPU. So that's the purpose of the C series, the cassette or connect bus architecture that we have. This is the SC710, which uses a AMD R series CPU, so pretty high performance dual and quad core CPUs from AMD, and this can also be upgraded with discrete graphics via an MXM module, which we'll come to on the other side. MXM is basically a different format PCI Express graphics module, which allows us to put higher discrete level graphics into the C series while still maintaining the serviceability of the cassette architecture. Okay, so that's the E series product.